Hi guys! Today we are going to see how to set up shipping on Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how to set up shipping on Shopify. Go to Setting. Click on Shipping and Delivery. Here we will set all the shipping settings and discuss each one individually. First, check the General Shipping settings, which display the countries where we ship our products. Additionally, you can see how to add shipping charges. Here we can see that we only ship our products only in United States. Now we are creating a new shipping zone to sell our product internationally, but the international option is not selected here. Now, let's go back and see how to create an international shipping zone. Click on New Profile. Set your profile name. Click on Add Product and select the products you want to sell internationally. Here, I'm selecting all the products. After selecting all products, create the zone from where we will sell them. Select International and create a name for this zone. Select all remaining countries. Now add shipping rates. We offer free shipping for our products, so I'm not adding any price. One important thing, make sure to check if international shipping is active or not. Here you can observe that the international shipping we created is still inactive, while only United States shipping is active. So how do we activate this international shipment? Click on Markets. Here, you can see two marketplaces where we sell our products. The United States marketplace is active, but the international marketplace is inactive. Click on it. Activate this international marketplace. Now you can see that both marketplaces are active. Go back and also check the created zone which we create for international. Now you can see that the international marketplace is active. Now customize all the other settings. Now select all the customizations you desire and set order routing if needed. Now remain all other setting default. In this way, we set up shipping on Shopify. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.